Now that Governor Eddie Calvo signed a bill that increases rates at the Guam Memorial Hospital into law, health insurance subscribers, whether employers or employees, will be seeing their rates go up. This is on top of the trend of rates going up already due to other reasons.
I think we looked at about $50 per month per member. Is the average impact.
If you're an employee who subscribed to health insurance through your employer, that's the average amount you could be paying more per month soon. This is on top of what you're already paying every month, and that amount is per person.
For a family, it could be several $100s per month in terms of insurance premiums.
And for employers who typically cover a significant portion of an employee's insurance premium, expenses are expected to go up even more. Take Care Insurance President Jeff Larsen says the average increase to insurance premiums overall is about 20 to 25% a month. But for businesses, the impact will be even greater.
We haven't really looked at that closely yet, but again, it's going to be substantial. When you look at a 20 or 25% impact on premiums overall, and say an average premium is $200 or $300, you know, that's a pretty substantial amount per month. You know, $50 or $75. If it's a family, you know, and their premiums are $500 or $700 a month, it's going to be even more substantial.
This is because of new rate and fee increases the Guam Memorial Hospital will be implementing. By law, the hospital has the authority to increase its rates by up to 5%. Anything beyond that must go through the legislature, which is exactly what happened. Bill 189, introduced by Senator Dennis Rodriguez Jr., was signed into law last week. It authorizes GMH to increase rates to reflect current year Medicare reimbursement rates, as well as the adoption of 14 new fees.
We met with GMH just a few days ago to kind of get clarity on when that fee increase would occur. They couldn't tell us specifically, but the governor did sign it on the 25th of November, so we anticipate that that increase is imminent. It could happen at any time.
One more question. This is insurance premiums not just for Take Care. We're talking across the board, all insurance agencies.
That should be the case because the way insurance premiums work is there's an underwriting calculation in terms of what the costs are for any given condition or for any services, and all of those costs are factored into the rating methodology for insurance premiums. So as the raw costs increase, the insurance premiums reflect those raw cost increases, and that's where you'll see the increases.
Although Larsen says rates that have been locked in for 2016 will likely remain unchanged, such as existing accounts, anything beyond will be affected. He does point out, however, that insurance companies have the ability to modify rates mid-year.
And we did anticipate some increases at GMH prior to the fees being passed by law, so some of that was factored in. However, it wasn't factored in at the rate that actually got passed. So we had calculated maybe 10 or 12% impact on the fee increases. And so 18 to 22 or 25% is about double what we anticipated in terms of what we had factored or what we thought would be the increases. So some of those were included in the 2016 plans that are effective in January. But anything that's, say, after January, February, and beyond, those plans will reflect the full increase of the rates. So that's the 18 to 25% or so.
The law states that the fees become effective upon enactment of the law as long as GMH is able to obtain a third-party payer agreement with at least one health plan administrator for services provided by the hospital.